So on a CNC machine, a lot of people don't realise just how valuable programs are. And if you've spent, you know, maybe 3 hours writing a program and proving it all out and making sure that program is correct, it could be 3 hours, could be more, a bit less, whatever. But that makes that program quite valuable in terms of money and time. So if you've got like 100 of these, then you just do the maths. They're very valuable. So it's worth backing them up on a regular basis. In all truth, most of the places I go, nobody does it. But the minute they lose everything, they really regret this. So it's a good idea to do it. And this in this video, it does tell you how to do it if you've got a USB stick. So if you've got a USB stick, you can do this with a memory card as well. But this is for a USB memory stick. And it's just by we do this file output and we input -9999, and that just puts everything out. The only downside to it is the file that you get, the text file that you end up with, is one great big massive program, which is all your programs joined up. But you'd have to go through and find each one and separate it out. But it's a small price to pay to know that you still have got all your programs. So do this as your quick fix. Just keep doing this. You can keep overwriting it if you want, and obviously back your programs up properly, but this is your quick fix to just check that you've done it. So enjoy this video. So I'm just going to show you now to save all your programs in this file, and we do that by inputting -9999, and it will give it a name. It's something like all progs or something that it does on its own. You can type your own name in if you want, but we're not going to do it that way. You need to be in edit and you need to be in your directory so you can see all your programs there. And then what we're going to do is we're going to first of all press this button that says it says F output, which is like file output, and then we're going to input -9999, and then that will go down in this box. When we press O set, it'll go in that box where it says O number. We're not going to give it a name, but we can put a name in that name box if we want, and we can call it something, but it will give it a name if you don't do that. And then when that's ready, we're going to press EXEC exec, which does it. Unfortunately, I've already done this. Well, it's not unfortunate, but I have already done it. It's just warning me to overwrite. So I press that rewrite key, and then when I press that, that's the job done. And if you look on your USB, you'll see this stored as all progs, and you can access that afterwards if you need to. So it's a nice, quick, easy way to save all your programs and guarantee that you have done it. So if you look at this program here, this is the great big program where they're all joined together. So I've got it in my text editor, which obviously you'd have your text editor, but you can see the first program there. Now if I cursor down, you've just got to look pretty closely, but there you can see the second program number, then you'll see the third program number. So they're quite hard to spot, but you just have to go through it. And then you can, like, if you look what I'm doing here, I'm just gonna, obviously your text editor won't be the same as mine, but I'm just going to copy this program. I'm going right down to the M30 and then copying that, and then I'll just paste that into a new program, which is create a new program. This is just on my software, not going to be the same as yours. And then just I've opened up a new program, then I'm just going to paste this in, and all I'd need to do then really is just save that as another program, and I've got a new program just out of it. So it's a bit awkward and obviously a bit time consuming to sort it all out, but it does work, and it's, to say, it's a good way of backing up all your programs.